Hello and welcome back, everyone. Hey, good evening, Abbott. How's it going? I'm just starting. Let's see how today goes. I think the right mindset is it will go good as long as I don't make any mistake and I'm able to execute all my setups. I'm doing good. I'm doing good, Abbott. I started to look at the higher time frame and trying to have bias. Not trying to have bias, but trying to understand what bias mean and how can I put it in my trading. And yesterday I have bearish bias, but after what price did yesterday, before this happened, before price took London low, I had bullish bias now for today, but price took London low and it keeps trading on that direction. Let's see if that was a sweep on liquidity or that will be actually the trend for the day. That's the thing, because I'm not too good yet with bias. I have to be careful with that and not, even though I have a bias, then I have to understand that my bias, it's not the best, not yet. So yeah, nothing is 100%. And especially when I'm learning, because it would never be 100%, but after a few months, you get a little bit more confidence of what you do, and then it's not 100%, but at least you can go for a 60%. And I'll go with this because this worked for me 60%. But with bias, it's something very new for me. After what price did yesterday, it invalidated all my bearish bias. So now I have a bullish bias. But the thing with bullish bias in a higher time frame is that even with bullish bias, we can still do a down close day today. So let's see. Day by day, I think I'll be able to master that. I don't have a good setup for the first percent fair value gap, so I won't be taking that trade with the first percent fair value gap. So I will be right away trading the main account. I want to see if price can stay above this low, which is London low, and then work from there. How has been your week so far, Abed? I had 2 losing days. Monday was a losing day and Tuesday was also a losing day. Not only that, but it has been also very boring for me. I haven't been able to find clear setups, and yesterday I paid the price of boredom because I feel like my last trade was just not an A+ setup. You couldn't trade. Today is the first day you're trading for the week. I see. Yeah. Yeah, I also think I had very high expectation for this week because the last 3 weeks has been losing weeks, and there is this misconception that the more losing days you do, the closer you are to a winning trade, and that's not true. That's a huge mistake. But that's just the mind playing tricks. And yeah, I feel 3 straight trade losing weeks, then this week could be good, but that's not true. But again, I have to focus on data. That's my goal. I'm not sure why I wanted this week to be profitable. That's the thing that I was mentioned in the previous week about being consistent with only one thing, even though it sounds easy. But first week, it's easy. Losing week, it's fine. I'm collecting data, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't hurt me. I know what I'm doing. I know my goal is to collect data, to put information into the journal. Then I'll be able to review that and make a plan from there. First week, yeah, that's the idea. Everything good. No emotion, no feelings. Second week, losing, same thing. Third week, but now I keep losing and losing, and that starts to accumulate, and then it becomes more difficult. But at the end of the day, it's the same thing. This week, it's very similar to my first week. I haven't changed anything. I haven't done anything different. So I should have the same expectation and the same goals. But the mind plays tricks. And I have to be aware of that and not make mistakes. Nor try to finish the day profitable like I tried yesterday. Yesterday I did my first losing trade, and then it was 11:40, and I feel like, oh, come on. Yesterday, on Monday, only one trade. It was a losing trade. So I end the day down $100. Tuesday, 11:40. Again, one losing trade. I don't want to end the day with a losing trade. I want to at least go to break even. 11:40, I don't usually find good setup by that time. And yet I convinced myself that whatever I was seeing was a good setup. Another stop. So 2 losing trade for yesterday. And that's what I have to avoid. Don't stop, it will happen. Very balanced opening again. This has been the theme for this week. This is Monday. First, I would say 25-minute balance. Yesterday, yesterday, 30, 40, almost the first 50 minutes balance, and now again we are having a balance opening. Let's see. And Q just took low of day, and yes, it's at high of day. It's trading on its high. I feel that if I focus on optimal condition, like optimal price action, I will get it at least once every 15 days, because every day it's something different with the price action. Like every day I have some arguments about price action, like, oh, this is not good. NQ is taking low of day, and look at ES, it's trading at high of day. It's not ideal. So I don't want to be saying that all the time. And it looks like that's how market it's all the time. So I have to figure it out what this is trying to tell me. Instead of being all the time like, oh, this is not ideal. Price action is not good. I don't want to be that kind of trader. Hello team, how's it going? Are you trading today? Are you along on ES? Already passed my evaluation. How many accounts do you have, team? Yeah, I know the 90% discount, it's only on Apex. Shorts? No, I'm just looking. I'm flat right now. Do you copy trade them or you trade them separately? One by one. I see. Do you have each one for one strategy, different strategy, or all of them for the same strategy but different trades? Because I was thinking on using one of my account just for like swing trades on the same day, but big trades. Use wide stop loss, wide target, but use that one account. It's like using another account for a different strategy. Are you up? I haven't done any trade, not yet. I recommend you to do the minis. I can't because I'm trying to for the swings. I think if I do one swing with a wide stop with the minis, I'll burn the account in one trade. Do you mean the micros? Because the minis is the big one. Micro, oh yeah. Yeah. I plan on using the micro, yeah. I have done like 2 of them with only 1 micro. To do that, yeah, let it ride. Not a good day for me. But the day just started. Or you've been trading London session as well. I got you, Tim. Yeah, no. I don't plan on doing that. All my draws on liquidity have been hit already. I see. So we have a ES doing a higher low and NQ doing also a higher low in the higher time frame with this swing low from yesterday. It's PM session low. We have NQ doing a higher low and a very strong 5-minute up close candle with not tail closing on its high. Again, when for me it looks like a nice reversal, it only tells me not to enter short, but it doesn't give me any signal to enter on reversal. When I see prices looking good for a reversal, then I take that as don't take the short for me. Wait, but not enough to take a reversal trade. Now let's see if I respect this inverse for more upside. So if we fall below this inverse, that means that the try for more upside for me is gone. Then I would try to enter for more downside. On back testing, I'm good. Live on page. I think you'll become even more knowledgeable if you learn about trend lines and RSI. I know a few things about trend line. I just don't use them on my chart. I draw them, but then I erase them because I like to see price action bet. I know a few things. I also have a chart where I actually drop them. I have another screen. And RSI, I think RSI, it's a study. It's just too many things. I'm already using imbalance, candles, price action. I think instead of helping me in something, it will distract me. I don't want too many things on my charts or too many things to confirm a trade. I have trend line, I have yesterday price, I have a few things. I just don't have them in the chart that it's in front of me because then I will see what I want to see. Like if I want price to go down here, I will start looking for things to validate my idea, and that's not what I want. I really want to see what price is doing. So instead I have another screen on my left, on my right, with a few draws. For example, here I know price is finding resistance on the first percentile fair value gap, which is here. But I already know it. I don't need to have it on the chart. I know if we fall below this swing low, which is also a 5-minute candle low. Is it? Yes, it's a 5-minute candle low. Then I'll be entering with one stop order. Don't see it as confusing, see it as powerful opportunity to sharpen your skill and gain. Little by little. If I have to do this first and then maybe add more thing or take things out. Dímelo, Rolly. We're bullish. I have bullish bias as well. I'm trying to learn with the after what price did yesterday. I have bullish bias as well. Bearish momentum already did his thing. Let's see. I have a stop order here. I will place my stop above this last win and then If I get stop out, that means we're reversing, and then I'll look for longs. But even if we take this swing high, if my trade doesn't trig, then I'll be looking for more upside. ES is way stronger than NQ since the opening. So I hate 10 RPA. ¿Cómo te fue el lunes y el martes, Rolly? All right. I did one losing trade on Monday, and then 2 losing trades on Tuesday. Get ready to take up. You catch. I haven't done any trade yet. How is it going, Tuki? No trades yet. I'm in targeting 23,600. Okay, this idea it's invalidated already. Price continue pushing higher. Bottom rate. It's looking very similar to, when was it? Yesterday reversal. We had a 5-minute that overlapped the previous down close 5-minute, a little balance. 10-minute after that, and Same thing, very similar to yesterday reversal. Look at 1 hour. ES is close to yesterday high. Let's see if once ES take yesterday high, we get a pullback, and then I'll be able to enter for more upside. Very strong close. Again, another maker, we have a reversal. That's why it's not about one thing. It's just adapting to whatever the market is doing. Let's see. Which three equal high, Rolly? Fridays, Monday, and Tuesday. Oh, I see it. The one started at 11 yesterday. I see it. Very small pullback, and again, this candle trading on its high. About to take high of day, already did. I keep forgetting which one is the efficiency, Rolly. You're out. Yeah, yes, about to take a new high. Let's see if I can get an opportunity before hitting that triple top. Expecting a pullback. That's where I want to be. That's where I want for me to enter for more downside. The thing is that we could easily not do a pullback and miss the whole move. Rolly, is London low the efficiency? 560, 567. One hour. Okay. The 1 hour candle, it's looking very strong. Look at that 5-minute candle. Beautiful. Dímelo, brutal, ¿cómo anda todo, brother? It's CPS at 6, 10. Very strong push. Your TP, it's about to be hit. Very fast, Rolly. Only 4 down close candle in 16 bars. Very fast, very good trade. Closer at 93. How's it going, Benji? How you doing? Good. Open one account, down another. I'm flat right now. Everyone is making profit on longs. I was bullish a lot sooner than I should have been this morning. I see. Yeah, I was bullish on the opening as well. And then I think market did its thing. The one I haven't been able to recognize yet, it's that action where it turns your bias or scare you that you might be wrong. And then I set back and waited, and I wasn't able to take any trades on these longs. And in Q, it's about to take yesterday high, which is at 611. I usually want the trade come to me, but in trending days, it's difficult because you watch the type of price action you want to be on a trade. The one that doesn't do a pullback, that it's constantly running in your favor. And because of that, if I don't enter on a trade, I'll miss all that. But as of now, I'm learning on enter on pullbacks, and that's what I have to miss. Es brutal. ¿Cómo anda, brother? I guess this is the type of price action every trader wants to be in, but the thing is that if I don't find a setup down here, which is going against the trend, I have to find a setup down here, and that for me is still a reversal, even though in the higher time frame it's just a pullback. So, or I have to see something that invalidates the shorts and then enter aggressive on longs. A lot of things. Got buy limit at 586. The thing with that, it's not bad. It's actually, I think that's actually the idea, because this is always in long, this price action. The lower we drop, I think is better prices for more upside. But the thing with an entry down there, it's where do I place my stop loss? For me, for example, if I enter, let's say your same entry. If I enter down here, 86, I don't know. I don't have a clear stop loss. Probably here, just because it's a swing low, but that doesn't invalidate a move higher. And I don't want to be. That's the thing when the price is super extended. It's not super extended, but it's already have done, at least the way I see it. I'm just sharing what I see and why when price is trending, I find it difficult to enter. We shouldn't be, because this is the easier price action bet. But yeah, it looks like a good entry, but for me, I have nowhere to place the stop loss. Unless I place a low of day. And if I place a low of day, a 1-to-1 will be at 683. 683, that's a lot. Expected pullback. 59, retest of that peak. I usually use ATR. I see. Yeah, I guess that when in price action like this, and like for example me, I don't have a clear stop loss, then I could go for something that could tell me that, but I'm not planning on adding anything else. No, not yet. But yeah, this looked like a price action where you place stop loss, I mean limit order below previous 5-minute low and stop orders above previous 5-minute. It looks very good. Did you get any good trades yesterday? No, I did not. I took the one I think you saw me, and then I stay here trying to go to break even. I didn't feel good with that loss. I did a losing trade on Monday and ended the day red. And I don't know why I had high expectation for this week. And what I mean is that some part of me wanted to have a good week, at least one profitable week for the month. And yeah, that's what happened yesterday. It was 11:40, 11:45. I usually don't find good setup by that time, but I kept watching and watching, and I convinced myself that I found a good setup. And in fact, it was just a 5-minute pullback on the 5-minute. I mean, it was a pullback on the 5-minute time frame, and I enter on the low, and I recognize that that's what happened. It's just the expectation. Yeah, ES took a minute. I see the SMT. I'm still looking for the mid inducement. ¿Qué estás? ¿Compra o venta? Estoy flat ahora mismo. No estoy ni en compra ni en venta, ni he entrado en ningún trade tampoco en todo el día. That's it. The pullback is coming. You took longs? No, I did not. Everyone in the chart took longs, but me. Yeah, I was also waiting for a pullback, but that's the thing with, especially with reversal. Reversal move are, I think that's why people, and I include myself, even though I don't take reversals. That's the thing with reversal. Reversal are very aggressive, and you have a very tiny stop loss. The risk and reward with reversal are, it's amazing. I think the hard thing is the probabilities, just the win rate with reversal bet. If you master it, then reversal are really good. But I think they're another level. We need to get Gamboa in here, yeah. As soon as we do a pullback, then I will jump in. I'm a value trader. I like to buy cheap and sell expensive. Yeah, that's the thing. No more than that. No more than 25. Yeah. Was there a trade on ES? I just hit 2 to 1 RR. Awesome, man. 2 to 1 learning. That's very good. That means you're very patient. Because while learning, holding a trade after you hit 1 to 1, you're good. I'm in Maine and the weather is cooling down. Oh no, I wouldn't be able to trade like that. I'm in Florida and 4 out of 5 day trading, you see me with puffer and yeah, bit in. Yeah, Benji. No. Where do I go to learn even more after I understand the basic? Your journal, man. That's the best book. Make sure you collect data when you win and when you lose. And that's where we have to go back and see what's working and what's not. Se fue. How are you able to trade with this price action? I think 20 minutes ago we got a good move. But yeah, not me. I wasn't able to trade. I wasn't able to enter on a trade. But a few people took longs and it paid out really good. I mean, this is technically a channel long at the bottom. Yeah, that's it. I would like to see a fake breakout and then price dropping and doing that pullback. If not, yeah, visit the sell side and then see if we can, especially now the price took yesterday high. Let's see if we can get the pullback here. Are you funding? Yes, I'm funded. That doesn't mean I'm profitable. I'm not profitable yet. Just induce that build up and now we'll take a sell side. I like that builds up just below yesterday high. It took yesterday high, induced the build up, and then it looks good for a quick scalp to the downside. But that's because I'm not going to do that every time it does that. I'm not going to do it now. Use a correlation between US, ES. Yeah, I use them. If you flip your phone horizontal, you'll be able to see ES and NQ on the 5-minute. I'm watching ES and NQ both at the same time. In a perfect world, it would do that rolling. Let's see if it does it. That's what I'm waiting. But sometimes this doesn't do pullback, and that's it. Continue pushing higher. Hey, thank you for the roses, man. Why didn't you take longs on ES? Because I don't have any playbook to take longs on ES nor on NQ. It looks good, but yeah. Actually, I'm lying. You're right. ES has a setup. ES is much better because ES never took low of day. I just wasn't looking at ES. What strategy are you using? I'm using price action. Remember, we're here not to predict the market, but to react from it. I agree. Yes, look cleaner. Yep, that's true. See, that's the thing. I was looking at NQ, and the reason I didn't took long, it's because it didn't look like a. It looks at the beginning like a reversal. So that do not like trigger any longs for me. But if I look on ES, we did just a pullback, and then yeah, that's something to take a look at it. Buy for margin. Your limit just got hit. Yeah, almost to a tick. Stop loss at break even. That's nice, because even if you get stop out, then you can re-enter. It's like nothing happened. But it's not looking like you're going to get stop out. Oh, it's 10:50 already? I want to see price taking this 5-minute low for me to enter for long. If we don't do that, then there is also not a setup for me to enter long. What a nice trade, Benji. You were only 3 points in drag down. Oh, there's a big percent of luck on every trade. That I know. It's part of the game. Rolly, do you think Hey, Rolly. Rolly, I don't want to go against you. Do you think if we take this 5-minute candle, it's not good for longs? Let's see. I have 0 win rate going against you, Rolly. Patient for longs. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, longs. Doesn't good look to me. Let's see. I'm not trying to enter blindly. Just if we take that 5-minute low, I want to see a setup, but I'll be looking for longs if we take that swing low. Hate how NQ never has a clean trend anymore. Yeah, that's the thing about the way I see it. With trading, it's all about adapting. And it's hard. It's hard because you think, what if the next is what it always has been doing? We need imbalance to fill. Hey, I could be wrong. Let's see. Hey, that's awesome, brother. Thank you. It's been treating me. The thing is that I have been losing for 3 weeks consecutive, and then this weekend I felt like, okay, last week of the month, honestly, I wanted to be a profitable week, but that kind of it's not the right mindset. Because first week I was good with the losing week, and the second and the third one because I was with this mindset of collecting data, and that's actually the goal. That's the main mindset I have to keep. But you know, that's the hard thing of the part, being losing consecutive, and I'm saying this because yesterday and Monday it felt harder than the previous weeks. But I guess it's because of that, because I wanted to win. It's been 3 red weeks, and yeah, that's the hard part. But nothing. I'm going back to that same mindset because at the end that's the goal. Even if I win, even if this is a profitable week, it's not better than last week. It's the same. At the end, it's data, and that's what I have to focus on. Mindset is power. Agree. I'm looking for consistency right now, and not consistent in money, but consistent in the same way of trading, like doing the same setups, same playbooks, risking the same. So I can actually see a clear data on my journal. But let's see. Appreciate you passing by, brother. At least I expect the PA to get to 60. Oh, 60. See, that kind of pullback, it's too big for me. That's it. That's it. Now would be good to long. Yes, sir. I've been in this game for 4 years, and this is barely my first profit year. You'll get it, man. Appreciate that, brother. Tracks. That's awesome that you already turned profitable. And it's a good example. It took you 4 years or 3 years. If 84 levels taken, PA will continue with pullbacks. I'm about to head out, man, but have a good one today and let the market be with you. Awesome, brother. Thank you for passing by. You have a good day, brother. Three minutes left. Ah. ICG trade is 8 today. Up 1K. That's nice, Ants. You're making good money almost every day. What strategy do you use? Rejection block. I think beginning 1 hour candle will push PA down to fill the imbalance and then continue higher. You took that long? I didn't. I missed the whole thing. Okay, yes, it's about to take near high. How do I deal with the fact that I missed it? It's a clear indication that I have a lot to learn. Not only you, but a lot of people have commented how clear that long was. And honestly, I didn't see it. I see nothing. I saw just the trend. It's funny how I watched the 1 minute and I feel like something is about to happen. But then when you go back to 5 minutes, you'll see we're trading in a range. Nothing took nothing. I haven't been able to find a good setup. I have a short setup here, but because we are close to high of day, I'm not taking it. If it doesn't work, I will have a clear explanation why it didn't work, and it will be because I did a counter trend trade, and I don't want that. I saw everything. I had my strategy work. I just was too afraid to take that long. I see. I watched ES because it was I was watching NQ and then someone told me that it was cleared on ES, and when I went to ES, that's actually true. It was a better setup on ES than on NQ. CPA, what I was saying. No intention to go long, at least for now. Any trades today? No, I haven't taken any trade today. I missed the morning longs, and as of now, I don't see any good setup for me. I'm looking for longs still, but we might be doing a pullback in a high time frame, and I'm not sure. Look at that. I'm not sure if that's what I want, because a pullback in a 5-minute time frame, it's a short term on the 1 minute, and my entries are on the 1 minute, and that kind of confused me. Yeah, ES doing one thing and NQ is doing another. That's from the opening. From the opening, it's been like that. ES just did a double top. PA, it's about to collapse. What's up, man? What trade are you in right now? How's it going, brother? Right now I'm flat. I haven't taken any trades today. $11 a.m. candle looking like Asia session. True. But look at ES. I love. At some point I want to do that because yeah, ES was so clear in the opening. I just got a good sell on USD. Nice, brother. Rolly, I don't like ES taking high of day and NQ holding below. If I were long here, I wouldn't like to see that. Just the way I see it. Look at price delivery. Yeah. You trade gold. I do not. I only trade NQ. And also planning on days like today, learn how to be fast and switch to ES. But I only trade NQ. That's the intention, but not the execution. I see more bearish about to collapse. Let's see. If I find something to a downside, it needs to be between 51. It needs to be something around here. But very balanced. Every next minute looks like that's the one. And that feeling, it's, I guess, it's when price is in a range. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Back. ES keep pushing high. ES doesn't care. Why the ES, the 1 minute on ES looks like this? I think it's game over. If not, then stay away. Yeah. I would. The thing is that we are on a range. I keep seeing good for more downside, but I don't know. It's I feel like going against the trend, entering short here, even though what I'm doing, it's very, very small. It's kind of scalp, but I like that inducement that we did. Makes sense to go down to fill up what left behind. Shorts all day, bro. Think about it. Why we couldn't take New York AM high? I see. We lost the ball momentum. I'm going to enter shorts below this 5-minute candle, and it's like 21. If we inverse this, to be honest, I'm entering short. I don't want this 5-minute candle overlapping the previous aggressive down close candle. Yeah, it hasn't break the range. If you look at the 15 minutes, it's not good. Even every time frame, it's not looking good. My order got filled. My stop loss it's above the swing high, and my target it's at 65. Now, if we go 13 points higher in drag down, then I'll be adding one more. And that's it. That's the trade of the day. Probably say good, good. Let's see. What's your TP? 65. Yeah, see it there. It looks like price swept this swing low at 84, and instead of finding stop loss, it looks like found limit orders. Let's see. Added one more there. Now the TP go a little bit higher. It will go to 91. Now TP it's at 74. It's looking like a nice 2-leg pullback in the 5-minute. If that's the case, then I'll get cooked. Let's see. I'm trying to go back in time to see, to show what I really was expecting. Yeah, something like this. So this 5-minute candle, this is what I want to see below a swing low, and it's not looking nothing like that. About to get stop out. Again, all my trades looks like very nice entry for the other way. So all my short looks like beautiful entries for longs, and all my longs looks like beautiful entry for shorts. That's apparent. Look at yesterday. I'm about to get stop out. Beautiful 5-minute candle. I want to show yesterday execution, and it's very similar to today. Look at this. So this is a short. It's a beautiful entry for longs. That's the second trade of the day. The first one, oh, look at that. Market told me to shut up. And target got hit. I was about to get stop out. I was talking trash about my trade. It did hit my TP, yes. Because I added one more, then that moved my average entry. And yeah, I just hit my 1-to-1. It was at 74. It was actually almost low of, well, it was low of this candle. Look at that. This candle low is 74. My target was 74. Crazy. I was looking back, showing my trades for this week and how my shorts looks like beautiful entry for longs and how my longs look like beautiful entry for short. And I just saw, because I was about to get stop out, but then price did that. You made a trade today, I see. Just a regular thing. $100. Because I always risk the same. That means I will always make the same. Even if it move 100 point. If it's a 100 point stop loss, then I will enter with 1 micro, and that will be $200 stop loss, and that will be the same target. I have a fixed risk. PA will still continue down, in my opinion. So this is my first winning trade of the week. Rolly, I have to be honest. I enter in this trade. I have to say 80% me and 20 because of you, because this is not how my regular trades looks like. But you are one of the best trader I know personally, so your input mattered a lot on this trade. Did you just enter? No, I'm out. I entered short, and I got filled at that low. 74. Even though I did a winning trade, it's a very difficult price action for me. I did a short that I wasn't comfortable taking, and now whatever it's happening, I'm not able to actually read it. Look at that. This is good. This is good to remember how lucky I got here. Hey, how's it going, Diego? You entered 10 coins? 10 lot? What's your target? That long week was the investment. Just got 50% of the imbalance. I like totals, right? That looks like a nice soup. But that's it. Only one trade today. It worked good. I think the best opportunity came in the morning, especially on ES. ES was respecting 930 low. But other than that, even though it was a profitable trade, it's not, for me, it's not an A plus setup, but good. I'll take what the market gave me. That long week will be protected. I thought, Rolly, that this week, I don't know, these two were protected yesterday. And yeah, we took both of them. How do you see it? Okay. Let me show it to you. This low. I thought these two low were protected yesterday. How do you see it? Oh. I see. Then how about today? We already took this triple top. You were fully right about that being the objective. All right, I keep forgetting. No, I was saying that how about now that the triple top was taken? Wouldn't that be the objective? Thank you to keep going high. What do you think, brother? I'm not sure now that we took that triple top, but I wouldn't be short in shorts in here. I see. Rolly say objective could be Asia high. We already took it. And also an efficiency at 23,730. But that's it. I'm done for the day. I remember the first 2 weeks, I was done with 3 trades at 11 p.m. And now I only find 1 trade and stay until 12. That's the thing with the market. It changes, and I guess we have to change with it. But that's it. I'm done for the day. I'll be doing a recap in the afternoon. I know it's only 1 trade, but also I'm going to talk how good this reversal was in the morning, even though I don't take reversals. But it was a good opportunity. All right. Thank you for watching. Rolly, thank you for passing by, brother. Take care, and I'll see you in the afternoon. If not, tomorrow at 9:25, I'll be here live streaming again. All right. Bye-bye.